Now we have our API running on port 8081. It is returning the data collection we saw in the previous videos, and we have an Angular application running on localhost 4200 to show how to build an Angular front end and retire the JSF. We start by constructing an employee data structure to receive the data structure from the API, the JSON from the API, and we will use a service to return an array of employees using the get method. We have hard-coded the endpoint URL for the sake of simplicity in this example. The observable is returned to the Angular component. In the Angular component, we have an ng-onInit method, which then triggers the getEmployees service method. The server executes, calls the endpoint, and then populates the employees array. The data binding will refresh Angular view, which then will use a for and ng-for to iterate through the JSON returned and displays the ID and the name of the programmer on the screen. If we open an internet browser, go to localhost 4200, we'll then receive data and Angular will display on the screen, thus finishing the cycle to retire the JSF, the JEE application.